This is Keisha here at TradeWithResolve.com, and this will be a live day trading video. If you're interested in viewing live day trades along with learning some of the basic terminology that comes up when getting involved in the stock market, please consider subscribing to the channel. I am currently in Apple at the moment. I decided to buy 5 call contracts here, and I'm expecting the price to continue higher. Let's see what happens with the price action. So you can see here I'm up a little over 30% at the moment. I have 1 contract left, and I'm going to see how high Apple can go. I am all out of the trade here for a $161 profit. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.